How to change default font in Word. Set your favorite font as default font. So if you want to set your favorite font as a default font in your Word, then first you need to open up your Word application. After opening your Word, make sure to select a document. Now, as you can see, that the default font is Calibri. So in order to change this, you just need simply go with the arrow which is right here, or you can also press Ctrl D, which will open the font properties. So you need to go and enter the font. So for example, I'll just simply select Times New Roman. You can go with the drop down and you can select that. Once you've selected the font, you can go with the bold style, like font style. I'll just simply select regular and go with the size, which is 14. And now you need to go with set as default, which is here on the bottom left. And if you want to set this to this document only or to all of the documents based on your normal template, just go with all documents. If you want to, go with OK, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.